Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download eToro application. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to download your eToro application on your mobile device, then it's quite simple. First, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are, tap open your App Store or your Play Store. Tap the search button at the lower right hand corner, which will bring up your search box. In the search box, type in eToro and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed on the next page at the very top. This one's the app we are looking for that says eToro Investing Made Social. Tap on the download button right next to the app and you'll be able to begin the downloading process. Now, wait until the application gets downloaded, which is a quick process depending upon your internet speed. eToro is an Israeli multinational social trading and multi-asset investment company that focuses on providing financial and copy trading services. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Tap on open to launch the app open. And that is how you can easily download eToro app on a mobile device. Quick and easy. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.